The Forest and Environment Department, Government of Meghalaya, today celebrated the World Environment Day at National Institute of Fashion Technology, Umsauli, on the theme Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience. Addressing the gathering, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang expressed his gratitude to the department for organizing such awareness and hopes that through this, it will go a long way in improving the state. Walang, in his speech, stressed on 3 A's, that is, awareness, action, and aspirations. The Sengkantay and Sengsamla of the Ladamkra Dorbar Palun today organized a program to celebrate World Environment Day. East Shillong MLA Ampareen Lingdot was also present on the occasion, and she stressed that it is important for the people of Shillong City to take care of the issues concerning the environment.